This is my beautiful 2010 Honda Insight. It is so sleek and so pretty, and it is immaculate. It's always been in the garage, and it is a great driving car that only has 14,700 miles on it. It's just gorgeous, and it's handy too. Watch this for the hatchback. I have a great even surface. I don't have to reach down into a trunk. And inside, the back seat is split so that it can go partway down or all flat to make it marvelous driving, marvelous for pickup. It's always been garaged, and it's a great car. The only reason I would ever sell it is because it's a hybrid, and it cannot be towed behind our RV. We lost our tow car this year, and this one can't be towed. So we have to give up my little car, my beautiful car. It's clean inside and out, just like new. Of course, with only 14,750 miles, it is new. We had backup lasers put on it so that it beeps. If you get close to anything, you can tell where you're going and not run over anything. We figured that'll save a whole bunch of money. And there's even an extended warranty that is available for another $925. We bought it for $1,675, and we can cash it in, or we can sell it with the car for an additional price. This is a beautiful car, roomy, great mileage, terrific. You'll love it.